Hello, so let's find out my trading plan for next week on NIFTY and BANKNIFTY. तो लास्ट वीक हमने बोला था कि निफ्टी सपोर्ट लेगा 51,773 पे, सॉरी 24,773 पे. 21,753 low and K3 becomes a crucial level for Nifty. This is a crucial level for Nifty to go ahead. So if this level holds and a positive candle signals somewhere here, then we can trade long for 24 hours, 22,85,000 and 25,200. Market बहुत अच्छी तरह से ऊपर चला गया. So now, for this week, market still looks very bullish, but it's at a resistance level right now. So if it starts trading above current market price, then possibly it can go to 25,500, 24,650 and 25,870. So this is potential targets for Nifty. Ideal scenario would be if it falls back a bit to 24, 220 levels. That's the support for the week. And here if we make a positive candlestick, then we can easily trade for 25,500, 24,650 and 25,870. So these are the targets on the upside for Nifty. If it starts trading below 25,200, then probably we get 25,000 answer, but I don't think that's going to happen this week. So this week we'll stay bullish as long as the market tells us to stay bullish. The moving to BANKNIFTY. BANKNIFTY has a very interesting chart pattern. It has got a inverted head shoulders now, and the target of this inverted head and shoulder is 54,018. And for the upcoming week, I think the targets could be 52,500 and 53,200. So these three are the key levels. 51,900 should keep support. 59,900 to 15,800 is support. And if we get a positive candlestick there, then 50,500, 53,000 and 53,200 should be the next week targets. If it trades below 5400, which is bearish, but I don't think it's going to break up yet. See if it does, we call in our daily, and we'll see what to do. So BANKNIFTY is also extremely bullish, and so their target's been 54,000 in a few weeks time. And for the next week, 52,500 and 53,000 could be the targets for the coming week. So that's my trading plan. What about you? And did you see how well our weekly prediction worked last week? And so if you found it useful, please do share it with your friends. Hit the like button, leave some comments, make it interactive. Thank you very much. I wish you all a great week ahead. Goodbye.